everybody, Kris Gethin here, CEO of Kaged Muscle, and welcome to another edition of the State of Union. We are in a new year, 2021, baby, and hopefully you guys are getting it done in our Get It Done program, whether you want to build muscle, burn fat, get in bikini shape. Don't know if I'm in bikini shape. Maybe I will if I follow Torna's program, but however, remember, this is your time to have your best year yet. And of course, I'm here to answer your questions. But before we do, I just want to cover a couple of things. I've just made some notes here. So we have a product that will be coming up very soon. I can't give out all the details, but I know a lot of you have been asking, are you going to come out with a mass gainer or a meal replacement? Well, guess what? It's going to be one of those two. I think you could pretty much guess what I would want. However, there's a lot of meal replacements out there, mass gainers that just aren't as clean as I'd like them to be. That's why I don't suggest them. That's why I've always been an advocate of you making your own with, say, oatmeal, whey protein isolate, and some healthy fats, etc. But I understand that isn't convenient for everybody, so we are going to put convenience in your pocket very, very soon. And also, I know a lot of people do love our amino synergy, our essential amino acids, but people do love BCAAs. However, they'd like some flavor behind it. But of course, natural flavor. So we may be coming out with a flavored BCAA soon. So keep an eye out on the socials and you'll be the first to find out. And of course, sign up to the email and download the Kaged Muscle app. And we will also be bringing back the OG Fruit Punch Hydra-Charge, because I know we've made some changes. We decreased the calories, we improved the mixability, but some of you just did not like the new flavor profile due to those changes. So we are bringing the OG flavor back. We listen, and of course we want to provide something to you that you feel that you're going to be loyal to. You've been loyal to us up until now, and I want to make sure that we continue that as well. With me, I love the new flavor based on having half the amount of calories and changing the mixability, but I understand a lot of people want flavor. I'm a bodybuilder. I'm old school. I'm not too bothered by it. So we are going to provide that to you. So keep an eye out for the OG formula of the Fruit Punch Hydra-Charge coming to you very soon. However, I'm going to answer some of your questions now. So this is from Amberino. Can you drink Outlive 100 while fasting? Well, it all depends what type of fasting that you are doing. I do a controlled fast, meaning I control my fast. I'm a bodybuilder. I'm trying to stay in an anabolic environment. However, I do want to signal what's called autophagy at the same time. So I don't take in calories from solid foods. I have a small amount of calories that come from glutamine, essential amino acids, and from Outlive, okay? So I will take in all of my precautions then to make sure that I stay healthy, my immune system stays high, and I stay in an anabolic environment because I'm very active. I work out nearly every day and I do cardio every day, okay? However, if you are following a very strict protocol of fasting, then all you can have is water. I do a controlled fast. If you've read any of my content and I put controlled fast, that's why, because I have my glutamine, essential amino acids, and my Outlive. This is from Mike. What is the biggest difference between clean burn and clean burn amped? Do you use both at the same time? Well, here's some we prepared earlier. Here's clean burn, the OG, and this is a clean burn amped. So the clean burn amped has other ingredients that this one doesn't. Number one, it's available in most countries. We do have some ingredients in here that aren't compliant to, say, the UK, which is the Geneva Sylvestre. However, in here, you have caffeine. We don't have any caffeine in here. We have pure organic caffeine. We also have Svetol, which is a green coffee bean extract that isn't caffeinated, but it has thermogenic properties. We also have the Green Select Phytosome as well. So that's a patented version of the Grains of Paradise. Below that we have the Greens of Paradise, but the Green Select is a patented version of green tea, like your EGCGs. And also we have a water balance matrix in there as well. So if you are somebody that holds fluid and you want to make sure that you don't have or hold any subcutaneous fluid, we have that in there as well. Now, do I mix both? Yes, I do. Because I don't want to take this twice a day, because with each dose, you get 286, I think it is, or 84, 248, sorry, close, 248 milligrams of organic caffeine. I don't want that twice, because I also take my in-cage during the day, but I take my pre-cage stimulant-free when I take this, okay? So in the morning, I like to take my pre-cage stim-free along with my clean burn ant. Then, in the afternoon, I take my OG clean burn, because it doesn't have any of the caffeine in it, and it has other ingredients as well that does stimulate fat loss. So that's why I stack those two.